Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss the topic elevation in boiling point. So before that, boiling point should be clear to you. The boiling point of a liquid is a temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid becomes equals to the atmospheric pressure. So now we are going to discuss elevation in boiling point. Let us note down the boiling point of pure water, that is 100 degree Celsius, and water act as a solvent and it is denoted by TB naught. Now note down the boiling point of water containing salt in it, so it will act as a solution. The boiling point of salt solution is 102 degrees Celsius and it is denoted by TB. So from here we can calculate the elevation in boiling point, that is delta TB, and delta TB is equals to TB minus TB naught. So formula for boiling point is delta TB is equals to Kb into m into I, where Kb is your molar boiling point constant, m is molality and I is the Van 't Hoff factor. Now we are going to discuss numericals based on elevation in boiling point. So the first numerical is 18 gram of glucose is dissolved in 1 kg of water in a saucepan. At what temperature will water boils at 1.013 bars? Kb for water is 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole. So in this numerical we are provided with weight of glucose 18 gram and molecular mass of glucose is 180 gram. And weight of solvent is 1 kg and Kb is equal to 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole. So first of all we are going to calculate molality, that is N by W, where W is 1 kg and N is equals to 18 upon 180, that is 0.1. So M is the molarity and delta TB is equals to I Kb into m and I is equals to 1. So delta TB is equals to 0.1 into 0.52, that is equals to 0.052 Kelvin. So in this numerical we had to calculate the boiling point of solution. So in this numerical it is given that boiling point of water is 1.013 bars. So 1.013 bars is equals to 373.15 Kelvin. So boiling point of the solution is 373.15 plus 0.052 equals to 373.202 Kelvin. Practice the numericals based on the topic and the board questions based on the topic. And thank you for today.